Hey everybody, welcome back to the Antique FANatic. Today we're diving into stapler history with a gem that's as classic as your grandpa's secret stash of polyester ties. Introducing the Mercury Jr. Well, since we're going to look at vintage office supplies, maybe I ought to dress differently. Okay, this is better, I think. Kind of my natural state. Anyway, let's get into it. Wait, something feels off. Since we're going back in time, maybe we should adjust the lighting. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Originally made in the 1940s, the Mercury Jr. isn't just a stapler. It's a time-traveling document binder straight from the era when people sent handwritten memos instead of Slack messages. Firstly, let's talk about aesthetics. Behold the visual poetry of it. A symphony of ornate detailing. A ballet of craftsmanship. These relics weren't just office tools, they were statement pieces. In a world of bland plastic, our metallic maestros stand tall, shouting, "I'm here to secure your documents and look fabulous doing it." Now, contrast this with their modern counterparts, soulless, mass-produced widgets, imported in bulk like a stampede of disinterested wildebeests. Yes, they might be efficient, but where's the romance? The thrill of owning something that doesn't scream assembly line. It's like comparing a vintage car to a microwave on wheels. Now, let's put the Mercury Jr. to the test. Watch in awe as it effortlessly tackles papers like a seasoned office warrior. The clink of metal on paper, music to an antique stapler enthusiast's ears. Eventually, production of the Mercury Jr. and the Mercury Sr. staplers would be taken over by the Bates Corporation. In conclusion, the Mercury Jr. Because stapling should be an experience, not just a mundane task. So if you want a bit of vintage charm in your office experience, maybe this beauty from the Consolidated Wire Company could be your trusty sidekick. So, till next time, stay classy, stay stapled, and we'll catch you on the flip side.